There are three main characteristics that AI detection tools, like this one, use to determine whether a text is human-made or AI-generated. Today, you will understand these three red flags and then you will learn how to easily prevent ChatGPT from using them when generating a text. The first one is by far the most well-known: too many M dashes. ChatGPT really overuses this punctuation mark because it is actually very efficient for text structure. When you see a text that has M dashes everywhere, you know it's AI generated, and so do the AI detection tools. The second one is what we call the perplexity of the text, which refers to how predictable a text is in its choice of words. AI models always select the most probable words and phrases, so the perplexity of AI-generated text is very low. Human-made text, on the other hand, has much higher perplexity because we are more creative and we have our own biases when we are writing. Even if you try to be as cold and efficient as a machine in your choice of words, you simply can't, and the AI detection tools can easily detect this in a text. The third and final one is the burstiness of the text, which refers to the variation in sentence length and structure. AI will use the same structure for most of the sentences and paragraphs in a text because it's aiming for the safe play, so to speak. If it knows that a specific structure works very well for the type of text that you are asking it to generate, it will not deviate from that. Human-made text, again, is much more creative, flexible, and biased. Now that you know all of this, I will give you a prompt to convert any AI-generated text, like this one, that as you can see gets flagged by AI detection tools, into something that looks human-made even for the AI detectors. You have to input this prompt right here in the same chat where you created the original text. You can pause the video to copy it, and as you will see, the new text will not be flagged as AI generated.